We are pleased to show you the 2026 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, LED headlights, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, driver airbag. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.